Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious Brazilian lemonade with only 4 ingredients. All you need is lime, 4 lime, a quarter cup of sugar and condensed milk with the sweetener and water. That's it. That's all you need. So let's cut our lime first. Let's do this. Summer is here, guys. You have to enjoy it while you can. So I'm going to make it very delicious. So you just cut it like that. Slice this into 4 pieces. Then take this white part out. You don't want it to be bitter. I already washed my lime, guys. Make sure you wash them nicely. Guys, I tried it before. It's so delicious. You have to try it. You have to try it. I'm Brazilian inspired. So delicious. So when you are having your barbecue, make sure you make it for your guests or your family or your friends. Very, very, very delicious. So all you need is 4 lime. That's it. So we put it in our blender. We put it on high. Don't let it go for a long time, otherwise it's gonna be bitter. So I'll add my sugar. So this is 2 cups of water. I'm going to put 6 cups of water. So that's 4. So this is 6. That's enough. And this is the strainer we are going to use. So that is it, guys. Right now we're gonna blend it on high speed. We're gonna do it on high. You do and you pause. That's good enough. So what we are going to do right now is take it out. And use our strainer. Take everything out. This is it. So we are going to strain it. Then after that we'll add our condensed milk. This is it. Now we are going to add our condensed milk. We are going to use half a can, guys. You can eyeball it. Eyeball. Use your eyeball. That's it. We are not going to measure it. So that's enough. Ooh, looking delicious. So this is it. So now I'm gonna transfer it on my fancy jar. Guys, you wanna be fancy, just you wait. Let me bring my eyes. My eyes. But first of all, this is lime juice, guys. Use lime juice. Then the sugar. We wanna be fancy. Lime juice. Then the sugar. This is it. I told you we want to be fancy. Let's put ice first. That's it. This is it. Now we're gonna add this one. In fact, let me put my juice first. Sorry, guys. Yes. Told you guys we want to be fancy. Surprise your guest, guys. Don't be too plain. Don't just be too plain. Try to be fancy. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. It's like a 5-star hotel, guys. This is beautiful. I'm obsessed with cleaning. Look at it, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, guys. Wow. Oh my goodness. It's just too good.